boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Zoo here and August ALSINA, the song called 2 AM. Great song. The challenge here could be the bar chords. We have 5 different chords, 4 of them are bar chords, so that could be a challenge. Otherwise, it's very easy to play this one. So let's start right away. We're going clean here, so no need for any cape on this one. So we'll start with the chords like we usually do. And this one is the G sharp. So that's a bar here on the 4th fret. And you bar all strings there. And then the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. The next chord is the C minor. On the bar chord here on the 3rd fret, so we have from the A string and down, so that's all strings except from this last E here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. That's the C minor. Okay, so we can rest our hand a little bit with a standard C here, no bar chord, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the F minor. This time we have a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A and 3rd on D. And the final chord is G. I think in this specific song you can go with the standard. I think it's easier to just go up with the same grip kind of and continue with the bar, because then on the next round again it will be the G sharp, so it's very convenient to go from this to this to this. All right, so that's the reason for a G as a bar chord. So that will be a bar here on the 3rd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 5th on E, no, I'm lost, 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. There you have it. That's the G and the last chord. So the chord progression will be G sharp, then C minor, C, F minor, and then G. It goes like that through the entire song. All right. Next thing here is to learn the strumming pattern. So grab that G sharp chord, that's the 1st chord. And it goes pretty slow there, and yeah, it's kind of long. So it will be down, up, that's the first half of it, so to speak. So down, up, and then comes the clap, up, down, up. That's the rhythm for this song. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's how it sounds. Okay, so we have 2 strumming rounds on the G sharp, then 1 on the C minor, 1 on C, and then 2 for F minor and 2 for G. So G sharp 2, C minor 1, C 1, F minor 2, and G 2. So so on. All right, guys, that's it. 2 AM. Good luck and play tuned.